How to delete user account on Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user account on Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. To get started, press the Windows button at the bottom of your screen or tap the Start menu icon. In the Start menu, click on Settings to open up the Settings window. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left side and click on Accounts. In the Accounts section, scroll down until you see an option called Other Users and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the additional accounts that have been created on your computer. Find the user account you want to delete and click on it to expand the options. You'll see a button labeled Remove. Go ahead and click it. A message will appear letting you know that if you delete this account, all of that user's data, including files, settings, and programs, will also be deleted from the PC. If you're sure you want to continue, click Delete Account and Data to confirm. Windows will remove the account and it will no longer appear in your list of users. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.